Hey guys, this is Ghostbit Miner coming at you from the power of YouTube through the internet itself. Okay guys, so we're going to take it back to the basics. We're going to be going ahead and taking a look at the first thing anybody getting into cryptocurrency should look at, and that's Coinmarketcap.com. Stay tuned for this video guys to get more information on this website. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is just go to Coinmarketcap.com. And as you see right here, Bitcoin is going to be the #1 coin on this website. And this is just meaning this is going to be the most valuable coin. So as you see right here, circulating supply, that's actually the amount of coins that are out there right now. And the volume is going to be how much they're worth. So to get the coin market cap, what you can do is actually just times this volume by supplying supply, and you're going to get the coin market cap value. So the value of each coin will be right here under price. So each Bitcoin, which it has gone up in the past couple of days, so it's at $7,421. So that's pretty important. And as you scroll down all the way through here, you can see the top coins. So this is a really good website to actually get started with, guys, because you can actually see the graphs over here. And I always like to tell people, Bitcoin is like the gold backing all cryptocurrency. As you see, cryptocurrency does, all the other graphs do follow in Bitcoin's path. So we're going to go ahead and click right here onto the graph. So this is going to help us get into some more detail. So as you see right here on top, it says from April 28th, 2013, when Bitcoin pretty much first started, to current date. So what you can go right here to the bottom. You can move this little scroll tab all the way to the side so we can get a better understanding of what's going on in today's market. So this is from May to July, so you can kind of see a downwards trend, but again we're going back up, and again just pull it a little closer so we can get a better understanding. So July 1st to the July 21st. So as you see right there, you can see Bitcoin did increase in value. So when you are looking at this, coin market cap is going to be the blue graph line, and the price of the coin in USD is going to be in green. So you can follow this all the way through, so you can make a smart decision if you want to buy or sell. So you can even look right here. We're getting closer to the $8,000 mark. So if we go back over here, guys, and you can actually see the change in 24 hours. Everything's in the green. Tether's negative 0.29% down. So this is a great way to get into cryptocurrency, especially if you're new into the scene. You can actually see, okay, well, Bitcoin looks like it's doing pretty good. It's #1 cryptocurrency in the world right now. #2 is Ethereum. You can also see how much money is backing it. A lot of people will argue, well, cryptocurrency is volatile and it's a bubble. You know, once people stop investing into it, it's just going to be worth $0. For me, my argument back to them would be there's a lot of money actually involved into this. $127 billion that's actually involved into cryptocurrency right here with Bitcoin alone. So that's how much this coin is worth. So for something like that to disappear overnight, that's very unlikely, guys. So as we go down here, I'm going to show you Zcash. This is a coin I mine, and in the next couple of videos, I'll show you why I actually mine this coin and why it's the most profitable coin to mine to this date. Bitcoin is very hard to mine. It's very ASIC orientated. It's definitely not easy, or not even possible for a GPU farm to mine this. So if you want to buy some ASIC miners, get into that, you can. But remember, it's really hard to sell the ASIC miners, especially after the new version comes out, because it pretty much makes the other ASIC older model become pretty much a steel box. It's not worth very much. So let's go ahead and click on Zcash. So here's Zcash. Zcash is almost breaking through the $200 mark, and as we look over here, the coin market cap is doing very good, and the value of the coin in USD has been doing pretty well. Back in, it looks like January, in December, it was worth $876, which is amazing. When I was mining this coin, guys, back in early December of 2017, I was making huge profits with my crypto mining rig, which is actually behind me. So it was awesome to mine back then. Right now it's not as well, it's not as profitable, but again, you're still mining for that coin, so just hold on to that coin, hodl that coin, and save until you're ready to sell at the price you want to sell at. My selling price is $700, and I'm only going to sell 30% of my coins and wait again to sell some more. So again, this is not a broke man's game. Again, you do have to have some financial stability to actually get into cryptocurrency, and you have to be willing to bite the bullet sometimes, especially like in today's market, the bear market. It's so hard to hold on to cryptocurrency because, especially if you're a GPU miner, because you have to pay electricity. So just make sure that you don't quit your day job, guys. This is a volatile market. It's not for people of weak willpower. So we're going to go back over here to Coinmarketcap. So this is an awesome tool to use, especially if you're getting to cryptocurrency. So what you can do is you'll click on circulating supply, and it'll show you what's going on with that. We'll go back one. We'll click on volume. So with the volume, this is actually going to show us where are these coins being sold and traded the most at. So you see all these little different websites you can actually click on. It'll show you how to get involved, like Kraken, Bitstamp, Coinbase Pro, which used to be GDAX, so that's kind of a new thing. So you can click on Coinbase, and you'll see how much what coin did I click on. You'll see how much of the coin has been traded on this in the last, it looks like 24 hours. So $81 million have been traded over here. 11,000 Bitcoin has been traded. And it'll show you what's going on with this. So pretty much Bitcoin to USD, Ethereum to USD. It shows you everything that's been traded on this website. I'm from the US, so I do like Coinbase. That's a service I use to change coins into my bank account when I do sell. There are some different methods of selling, which in the next couple of weeks we'll go into some more detail on. But since this is just getting into the basics of getting into cryptocurrency, you can kind of dabble on this website and kind of figure out, oh, well, I'm going to invest into Bitcoin. And then you can also look up the white paper. If you go to the website right here, it'll show you the white paper behind Bitcoin. So choose a wallet, buy Bitcoin, all this other stuff. And these are all valid websites, so you don't have to be afraid of getting any type of viruses or anything like that. So pretty good stuff, guys. So this is pretty much a fast tutorial on how to use Coinmarketcap and what it can actually be used for. So anyways, guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. Again, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, so you can get the latest videos from me showing you how to become a cryptocurrency miner. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video. GhostBitMiner out.